for sunlight. So this is called a fishtail palm tree because of the leaves. So it symbolizes like a fishtail. So a fishtail palm. And this is also called patikan in Bisaya because the stem it seems like it has tattoos because of these dark spots. So patikan means tattooed person in Bisaya. Okay. And the good thing about this plant is the inner core or the ubod, it is edible, and we have lots of this in the Philippines. So you will not have any problems sourcing for starch or carbohydrates. You just cut the base. After cutting the base, so the inner core may be in this part where the petiole ends. The heart is located somewhere there. You just open the palm tree. You will have for this diameter of tree, you will have